Hey everybody, welcome back to the Race 5 Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are making these Aloha burgers on the Blackstone. Let's go! I came across these burgers on YouTube and they looked phenomenal, so we tried them and loved them. I can't remember the name of the channel we got them from right now, but I am going to post a picture of it and a link in the description below, so you could go check out his channel as well. They were amazing. So we are making these burgers on the Blackstone. We're using 4-ounce pork patties. We're going to season it up with Heath Riles, simple citrus, and honey rub. We're going to hit it with some Swiss cheese at the end and dress it up with some Bachan's hot and spicy barbecue sauce. So let's get that Blackstone fired up and get these on the grill. Okay, we have our Blackstone fired up. We are going to throw some awesome Hawaiian buns onto the grill now, get those nice and toasted. There you go. So we're gonna hit these with I got a little squeeze parquet here, a little squeeze margarine. You can use butter, mayo, whatever you like to get a nice toasted bun. These awesome Hawaiian buns. While these are warming up, I'm also going to throw a little bit of oil down here and I'm going to get those pineapples on. So let's get a little bit of oil on the Blackstones where we're going to put those pineapples. Little spready spread, let's get the pineapples down. So I'm going to hit these with those rubs that I showed you, the simple citrus and the honey rub. This sweet and citrus flavor is going to go awesome together. So let's get these seasoned up while they are getting a little char on them. You got the sweet and you got that citrus with a little salty. That's gonna taste great. All right, so we're gonna let these go for a little bit until it's time to flip them. We're looking to get a nice little char on the back side of them, flip them, then we'll season the other side as well. In the meantime, check the buns here. They're starting to toast up nice. Gonna take a little bit more time here. But as soon as these are done, we're gonna take them off as well. And right now I've got both of these burners on medium heat. As soon as these come off, I'm gonna turn it up a little bit higher for when those pork patties go on, because we're gonna wanna get a nice sear on those. These are toasted up beautifully. That's the color we wanna see, that nice golden. This bun is done here. We're gonna let that go over to the side here. Thank you to my neighbor Randy, saved my back. My propane went out. I have 4 tanks, all of them are empty. Guess I gotta go to the store this weekend. He let me use his propane tank so we could get back to these burgers. Let's go. I'm actually gonna give these pineapples a flip already. I don't think the bottom's actually ready yet, but I wanna get that seasoning side down so we can get a nice char on that and get these cooked up nice. Give these a quick hit too. And while these are still going, we've got our Blackstone back up to temperature, and we're gonna smash and sear these pork meatballs that we made so we can get a nice sear on them, get some great flavor with that char. We packed these pork meatballs by hand, but we didn't pack them too tight because you wanna be able to smash them and keep some pores and crevices in there. That's where you season, that's where all that good flavor is gonna come in. So let's go ahead, get these on the grill, smash them, and cook them. So we're gonna take our smasher. You can use a spatula, whatever you have, but I do recommend putting a sheet of parchment paper underneath so the meat doesn't stick to it as you come off the grill with it. You could use a piece of aluminum foil. Parchment paper works the best. So let's smash these burgers real quick. We're gonna hit these patties with the same 2 rubs again, keep that flavor profile building between all the ingredients. You're seeing that nice color we're getting on those pineapples. That's exactly what we're looking for. We're gonna do that on both sides and then pull them off. Time to take these pineapples off. I like giving that pineapple side a quick scrape off to get that rub and that sugar and juice from the pineapple off, because when I flip these, I'm gonna flip these burgers onto a clean side so we could try to get a nice char on that side as well. Take a quick look under here, see if it's ready to flip. You got a nice color on that back side here. This one's ready. Look how pretty that's looking. Got some great color on there. Same as here, look at that. That's what we're talking about. These are flipped. Last step on this is to put some cheese on it. We're using Swiss cheese, so let's get some cheese on these burgers. We're gonna cook these until that cheese is melted thoroughly, and by that time they should be done. I do have my temp probe that I will check these to make sure that they're over that 165 mark. Okay, this cheese is starting to melt nicely. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put those pineapples back on top of the burger right now, let them warm up together, get those flavors mixing together right now. Oh yeah, we're plenty hot. We're in those 180s, 190s. Perfect, these are done. I'm going to pull them off and build our burger. Let's go. These are all done and looking phenomenal. Let's build it. We're gonna take our nicely toasted bun, get one of these awesome patties, and all I'm dressing it with is some Bachan's Japanese barbecue sauce. This stuff is phenomenal. Goes so good with pork and pineapple. You could use whatever dressings you want. Any barbecue sauce will be great. Look at that. The best part of the day. This is one of our favorites now. We've made this a bunch of times. That pineapple with that Japanese barbecue sauce, it has a bit of soy in there. Plus with the rubs, you got the sweet, you've got the citrus. It all just goes so well together. You gotta try this, guys. Trust me, ground pork, smash burgers, do it. If you like what we did here, please hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and we will talk to you soon. Cheers, everybody. Peace.